In this video series, we're going to show you a fiberglass pool leak detection. We do fiberglass pools, vinyl liner pools, gunite pools, and we do them all the same way. We start out by visually checking them, then we actually listen to everything, we back ourselves up with dye. Check out how we did this leak detection real quick. So again, regular pool, no spa, fiberglass pool, has a bench. We're going to actually walk the equipment area looking for everything. This is real simple. We just got suction in return. We have an equalizer line coming off the skimmer. But again, we're always going to walk a pool, even if it's fiberglass. These things crack too, so you got to keep your eyes open for all this. And we're going to see what we're going to actually be listening to. We're going to get our pool scope out. We're going to check front ports, back ports. We're actually hearing a leak from over here, but it's not quite that loud. But when we bring it over to the other side, we're hearing a leak at the actual faceplate of this fiberglass type skimmer. They do have gaskets. They go often. Check out the sound. Again, we're going to listen to EQs. We're going to listen to suction lines. We're going to listen to round lights. Treat them like a clock, the way we always taught you. And we're going to walk the pool. We're listening. We're looking. We're going to listen to returns. We're going to listen to side suctions. Again, not only are we going to listen to them, but we're going to static test them when we're done. So we're going to plug one off, put dye in front of the other one, see if we have a pull, as we've showed you in a lot of other previous videos. Here's the sound of the leak. Check it out again. So as we showed you in previous videos, we static tested the returns, we static tested the skimmer line, we listened to absolutely everything, we heard our leak, we're able to show you that on the video and let you hear the audio of it. You heard where it was. Again, we backed ourselves up with dye when we were done with this job, as we do with all, write up a good report, and that's this leak detection. For more information, check out our YouTube channel and check out www.LeakTronics.com.